Hello student. Now we'll implement a test to 1 marks. Okay. So for this one we require this breadboard. Okay. We know that the 3 IC is required. So first IC is C on back side on the by using the pencil. Intentionally we are written as a 153 for understanding, because if we visualize these are very much too much difficult. Okay, we require some torch and then we can visualize what is the IC numbers are there. Okay, for your understanding purpose we are written back side of the IC by using the pencil 153. Okay, this is your main IC. Then we are using another two IC. Okay, one is your 32. Okay, this 32 IC. Then another one we are using as a inverter IC 04 IC, right? 04. See, this one is 04. Okay, now we'll see how we can mount. Again I see we can keep where is the notch, this direction. Okay, see, this one is your notch, right? Notch. So like this one I see you can keep, see the where all legs should be, that respect to pins should be inserted in the breadboard. This direction also, once it will be remove, rest of the two we can remove. Okay, then we can press, and like this one it will be fit. Now see, there is no chance of the movement. Okay, then we can connect the 04 IC, 04 IC 04, same way notch this side. Okay, this side, so we can insert like this one, and then you can press. Okay, 04. Now third IC is your 32. Okay, so 32, you can see the notch this direction, and you can insert. Okay, so only the we can keep the safe distance, because whenever you make the connection at that time, it is, if you keep not, I will say, the occupy the hall, if whenever it is required you can occupy. Okay, but now for 3 IC it is enough, because we know that 1 2 3 4 5 up to 25 disconnection. Okay, so we are making the like this one now. See now, so very first connection for the each, every time in hardware is practical, we have to make ground and VCC, ground and VCC. So see, in your respective pins, means if you consider the 153 IC, in that case the 16 is VCC. So this, see, this one is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? So like this one, this is your last number is your 16. So insert the wire. Okay, and like this one you can make the connection, right? Try to insert the conductor like this one, that should not visualize. Okay, this way, like this one you can visualize. Okay, this should be conductor should be inserted properly in the breadboard. then then we can see the ground. So for ground 8 number. Okay, so 8 number wire like this one, you can anywhere you can connect, here like this one. Okay, only take the precaution, one wire is connected for this point 8 number. In the nearby wires we can connect either here or here, because there is no chance of any short circuit. Okay, so 8 number I have inserted in last. See, it should be inserted properly. Okay, very good. Then this should connect it to the ground here. Okay, these are the we are making VCC and ground of the 153. Same way for 32 and 04. Okay, 04 and 32, 04 and 32. Again you can see these are the um, near about, I will see, again I will count the pin numbers: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 14 pin I see. Okay, again see the data sheet of 04. Okay, they are saying the 7 is ground. Okay, so that's why I have connected one black wire here, connected to ground. Then VCC is the 14 number pin. So here I have made one connection, it is connected to the VCC. Now see the 32 again 7 number connected to ground like this one. We make connection as a ground. See, if this is type of big conductor, in that case we can use the your stripper. Okay, and remove the remaining parts. Now these wires are broken. Again I will cut some part and like this one you can make the connection. Okay, now similarly for the VCC we are making the connection. We can connect anywhere 1 2 3 4 5 like this one. Okay, so VCC and ground connection are over. Okay, VCC and ground. Now start with your implementation. So as per the diagrams, okay, they are saying the pin number 6 5 and 13 and 12 connected to the VCC. Okay, so one by one we'll collect and we can make the connection. So 6 5, so 1 2 3 4 5, right? 5 number is connected to the VCC. Okay, so take the precaution. Now this is very difficult. Better we can insert inside from this wire. Okay, is connected to the VCC. Okay, now 6 number wires. Okay, we'll use the same color code. Nearby the 5, it is 6 number, and this 6 is connected to the here, right? 6. Then your pin number 13 and 12. Okay, so we know that these are the 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so 12 number is connected to the VCC. Okay, I have used these 4 color black wires. Okay, so see, these are very difficult to insert in the breadboard, so we can't cut it. Okay, this cutting part and removing the conductor part is very first 2-minute task. Okay, whenever you can, every time you can like this on the stretch wire. Okay, and see the conductor position. If it is broken or somewhere damaged, we can remove the insulator and start the making. Okay, so here is the 9 10 11 12. Now 13 are connection remaining, so 13 can connect it to the VCC. Right, 13 is connected to the VCC. Then see the pin number 14 is connected to the we'll use now different color 14 number. So 13 14 number 14 is connected to the 14. See, again is conductor. Okay, see now the pin number 4 4 1 2 3 4, right? This 4 is connected to the ground. Okay, so we can reserve here is 4 is connected to ground. Then 10 and 11. Okay, so 10 number is 9 is 10 number. Okay, here this 10 number we can connect it to the ground. 10 connected to ground. Then same way we can connect your 11 number. Okay, so near the 10 is 11. We'll check again. Okay, see 8 wait, again I will show 8 9 10. See 8, then 9 10. Now next is your 11. Okay, so you have to make the connection of 11 number pin connected to the ground. Now one wire is remaining, that is 13 number. Okay, so 16 15 14 13. Okay, it should be connected to the ground. Okay, so all 1 2 3 4 wires we can connect it to the VCC. Okay, and 4 wires connected to the ground, means input of 4:1 mux, 2 4:1 are mux exit in 153, that we have to over. Okay, means that connection of the inputs are over. Now we'll see the latter parts. Now for interconnection we are using the green color code. Okay, so pin number 1 of 153 is connected to the one number of 04. Okay, so one number, this is your one number. Okay, this one number wire you can connect it to the one number pin of 04. Okay, second IC is your 04 IC. So see here properly, and you can insert the wire, connect the wire in this way. Okay, it is 1 and 1 wire is connected, fine. Now, okay, this wire, then from 2 number connected to the 15. Okay, so from 2 of 04 is connected, this one, to the 15. Okay, so 16 and nearby previous one is your 15. So here we can connect. Right, 15. Okay, 2 and 15 are over. Fine, then we'll see another connections. Now see, another next connection is your 7 number pin of 153 7. Okay, so it is a 8, so near that 8 is 7 number pin, this one, it is connected to 1 number pin of 7432. Okay, so 7 number pin is connected to 1 number of your 32 here 1 numbers. Okay, see, now here we are making, wait. Now next one is 9 number pin. Okay, 8 and above is 9 number. This 9 number pin you connect it to the pin number 2 of OR gate, 2 number, here you can connect it. Okay, then rest of the ABC 3 wires we have to extract. Okay, that is act as your select input. Okay, see the select input, for the select input 2 wires you can extract. Okay. See, now 2 wires will extract ABC. See the select lines, 14 number pin. Okay, so we are using the three different colors. Okay, ABC. So for A, pin number 14, so 16, 15 and 14, here we are using A. Okay, so these are hanging wires, A. Then B is pin number 2, so blue we are using for the pin number 2 of 153 2. Okay, and third wire is your pin number 1, or we can call it as pin number 1 of 153, or it is pin number 1 of 04, because both are connected together. Okay, so this one is green color. So A, B, this one is B, and C, like this one. Okay, and output we have to connect it at pin number 3. Pin number 3. See, now output where you connect, I will show you. Output again, this LED bank we are using. Okay, so LED bank. So LED bank ground, as usual you can connect it ground here. Okay, and the next part is the first number LED we are using. Okay, so this first number LED we are connected to the 3 number pin of 7432. Okay, 7432. See, 1 2 3. Right, then from power supply VCC, we can connect it here. Okay, ground, connect here. Okay, and this position of this ABC, okay, wires will set according to the truth table. I will show you. Now set the position of truth table. Truth table are all are 0. ABC means all 3 pin connected to the ground. Okay, this all 3 should be connected to ground, and at that time this is 1C0, this line will be selected, data line. Okay, so 1C0 is connected to your VCC, so that's why your LED should be glow. We'll check now. Wait, we are connecting first, this one is to ground. See, your LED is glow, right? It does mean that all 3 is connected to the ground. Okay, so that 1C0 data line will be selected, and this data line, if you connect it to VCC, that's why LED is glow. If that data line is connected to the ground, at that time this LED will be off. In this way we can verify the total truth table of IC. Okay, thank you. This way we can implement the 8:1 mux using the IC 74LS153. Thank you.